Looking for a luxury SUV with low miles? Check out this 2000 Mercedes-Benz M-Class ML320 with only 67,000 miles. It comes with the original books and a dealer service history, plus recent service valued at over $1,580. This vehicle also has current Georgia state emissions, so it's ready to hit the road. As a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle, it's backed by a 3-month or 3,000-mile quality plus warranty, and you can add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price when you purchase, in addition to the advertised price. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. Recent service includes spark plugs, fresh oil and filter, hood and trunk shocks, drive belts, and a pre-delivery inspection. It's been thoroughly checked and is ready for you. We also encourage a pre-purchase inspection to give you added confidence. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status and its warranty and service plan. You can also upgrade the CPO warranty at a discounted rate when you buy. Don't miss out on this well-maintained Mercedes-Benz M-Class. Contact us today for more details or to schedule a test drive.
Come back so they can see that. Gonna come into the back seat. Passenger seat. Across the dash. Door panel. We'll shut this door. And just kind of get the side again. Gonna come around. And I usually just zoom in tight onto the logo.